Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Rim Show. I can turn the volume right direction. I had an inquiry about the Tecsun H-501X. Ooh, God, get my hand. Whoa, that's kind of weird. I'm using my cheap webcam right now because I'm down in my workshop. Anyway, the question was, he was having a problem with his radio drifting. And so I had tuned this to one of the HF amateur radio networks this morning at 3947 and have left the radio on for over an hour, and it has not drifted whatsoever. Now, if he was talking about sync detect, you can forget about sync detect. The sync detect on his radio, at least mine, doesn't work. So if he was only talking about single sideband and drifting and single sideband, then this is not a problem. Now, maybe he was talking about leaving it on for hours or days. Yeah, I'm not going to do that test. So anyway, I hope this answers this question. And everyone, have a great day. Bye-bye.